So what gives me peace of mind is to know that Umdala and Umtunzi, they are trying their best to work together. Like I never thought I'd see this happen. And I don't know what has changed where, but I just thank God for Umdala's wife who said, you know what, maybe Umtunzi ushinjile. Maybe he just wanna do the right thing. Maybe he just wanna be the right person. And I'm glad that actually at the end of the road they decided to work together, which actually gives me hope. Guti, I don't know, but somewhere, somehow, Magnum Tunes. I don't know. Have you seen how I used to hate Umtunzi and now how Umtunzi has become a hero? Yo, guys. I don't know what Scandal is doing. From Tunzi the villain to Mtunzi the hero, the angel. Wow. So now Mtunzi is working together with Umdala to just try and find out if they cannot possibly find who is the guilty person between Untutuko Botsotso and the actual real person that is responsible for this whole shenanigan. So now them going around checking the CCTV footage and asking around, it looks like they're not coming through to the truth. But however, khona umkhanelo abamkhanelayo, and with that said, they try to call a poet called Orchid, so that they can bring and put together the pictures that they have of the event to see if this person abamkhanelayo is actually the person that is responsible for yonke le nyaga. We say that because after that we then realize ukuthi lo mfana yamkhumbula that guy that used to work at the Shisanyama. Yes, that's the one. And then now they started asking questions. Waitress uyasho lapho ukuthi no, this guy was here athi umpumi girlfriend yakhe njani. He came back twice. So now they actually have proof ukuthi they don't have proof, but they've got somebody's word ukuthi he was here. The pictures also confirm that it was here. Well, now they decided to go to the police to tell the police, ukuthi this is what is happening. Amapoisa had to know, we cannot come, we cannot, with your bad record, I cannot be listening to you. There's nothing that you can tell me. Ayikho into interesting from imlomo yenu. On the other hand, sithola ukuthi kena Untutuko is frustrated ukuthi uma wakhe uzwazi nga this whole thing and he does not want the mother to know, but at least usisi wakhe umtshela ukuthi no, your mother does not know yet. Speaking of not knowing, khona omunye osejele bamhlabile lapha, and then this lady says, uTalita says that yena she almost died, and then they now have a hustle, and then bayathukana lapho uTeps uthi no, wena kahle kahle uyi-fraudster, you deserve everything that is coming in Janjan again, and then they had a misunderstanding. Then now, after that, Uteps realized no, but even if my mother has done some pretty bad things, that is not the good way to talk to her. And then he comes back, he apologizes to the mother, tells Mavutela. Mavutela does not actually believe. She actually says she deserves. And then Mavutela tells Uteps, I mean, I think your mother deserves this thing. And then Uteps was like, no, man, this is bad. She was pretty much hurt. And then Usiswake adds, you know what, from now we're going to do everything above board. And I'm just thinking, this is Talita, guys. Like, come on. She is just yini indoda engawa namhlanje kusasa ephinde ivuke, like that's Talita. Don't take her for slap chips. She is going to come back and come back hard and strong. And I'm just hoping when she come back, she must not find all of us sleeping. Anyway, they said that they are going to move her from where she is to a like a more reserved prison. She's not going out, but this could help with the bail application.